with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with that.
Yeah, Miss Daddy careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Hey Paris, welcome once more to the Jamaican Debbie strain on a St. Mary with it. Hope you're having a blessed day. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you in my backyard around here, so how I saw my mother made her authentic Jamaican coconut oil first. Dried coconut, bone dried coconut. And look at these. And I have my container here. I'm going to rinse out, put them in the sun for dry. Our thing is, never wash our coconut for rundown, especially coconut oil. So, no washing. Try to break them out as clean as possible. She don't want them washed, she don't wash them. And I don't want nobody tell me nothing about washing on this, because I'm telling you, I'm just doing after my mother's tradition, okay? Yeah, so this is how she would do it. Well hot. Not well hot. Our container all dry. See it? No water except the hot water which she's strain it with. So I'm just gonna be doing 2. And I'm gonna start my gratering right here. My grater is also dry. Yeah, sun hot, nice air. So I'm gonna start the ball are rolling. You see it? Bone dry it must be. So I'm gonna flash off them here. And when you see me next, I'm gonna have the hot water strain it. In the meantime, so when I'm near done, I'm gonna catch up. I'm gonna use coal fire. She normally use wood fire, but I'm gonna use the coal, cause I don't have no wood at town and them something except like it's me. I don't have no pot for put on wood fire. I sit here. So when you come down to the little fine piece, so me grow if you see it, you just do it done like this. So you see it? You see the bone dry, no water, nothing at all. So you see when I done slap off all of them. Eh? Alright now, Pari. See how fast me blast off them two look not here? Not here. Yes, so basically coconut oil is the pass when you to make coconut oil, natural coconut oil, is just a stage pass rundown. See? That is basically what it is. I'm showing you the method that my mother used. This is reasonably hot water, but I'm not gonna put my hand in it. So I'm gonna use it for wash off. She personally, she not even with no cold water thing. So I use it for wash off the grater. And my mother used to do it on a wide scale. Sometimes for the day she had lick down 75 coconut. Maybe, you know, all our kids, them are help her. And let me tell you something too. So let me tell you a little thing or two too. This, I think this goes in proportion. Yeah. The amount of coconut trash you have to the amount of water. Right now, yeah, my hand can go in it now because it's soft enough. Yeah. This is 2 small coconut that I got. Yeah. So I make the hot water stay in it. So I think this cup is like about a little more than a pint. So I'm gonna do it 2 times. So I'm gonna throw a little more. So I'm gonna make it stay there and cool down until my hand can go into it. When I do my videos, I try to educate you on what I know, not about what I see, but what I know. So this goes with proportion. So for this amount of coconut, you would need, I would say about 2. I came along when I came along, she was scaling down on it though, you know, pretty small. So maybe when the time was cold, she would do it overnight and leave it to I'm not sure, I don't remember. But most of the time, she just get her coconut, strain it and boil it. I never see she left nothing for nothing come on top. Is what I say. Because, as I tell you, if you a day she lick down 75, 100 sometimes, if she have help. Yeah, if she have help. Because I just did 2, and it looked like it coming out of the blood because I just did 2. And if it was a thing that I had to do 25, if it was that, I'd have to live off of it like how she had it as part of her living. If you look about we as kids, I would have to do it. When you have to do something, you have to do it. Because me easily, that was just 2. I could have easily sit down here, so maybe another hour and a half. My back's off 23 more. Because back in the days before my kids, I was doing gizadas, tortas, and in my torta I put coconut trash. And also I was doing rock buns. You know, I was doing that on a very wide scale, delivering to supermarkets, pharmacies, and like gas stations and the little places where have them little, you know, them little snack shop and something. I had my labels, so I have to do it professional. Yeah, I was doing that before I started having children. So I'm very much versed on this. 30 coconut and nothing for my great half, right as I stand up here. So it seems as if it's in my blood. But comment if you know nothing about that. So let's get back to it. So, my hand can manage this now. So, I'll get my 2 hands in here. And I'm going to do it again, but not with so much water as the first time. It's pretty warm, so you can make it cool down a little more. Yeah. Mother must be there now, so should I have a little grater. But the 2 coconuts, they were really small, but they were thick. So yeah, get out the juice. Remember, this is pure water, you know, pure hot water, warm. Well, just slightly hot. Because if it did hot, my hand couldn't in there, so. You see it dry, you get out the dry. So. This is how I saw her did it. Because she a ramp, when she go to market, go sell her banana, she need 2 or 3 quarter coconut oil. Where she have harder fun, natural coconut oil. You hear? So, as I was saying, it has to do with proportion and the coconut trash. So you see, this water now, right here, when I got to know. But they're on the outside, you know. So, you see with me here. I do it outside thing. Them thing are prim and proper thing. Alright, you see it? Okay. So, you see the milk rich? It's not a long water milk, you know. When you see the milk come through the strainer, you're not supposed to sit through the milk. You get what I'm saying to you? So I strain off this, and when I come back now, I'm going to show you the amount of water I'm going to use to it for the second time. See it? Okay, so I'm going to use about just one of this cup, you know. Maybe I put a little bit more with it. So, but I did want to show you the trash, man. Already dry before. So we are going to work the trash now. Not much money left in this, you know. Hot water same way. So you see the next more, you know, throw a bag of water, you know. So me I say, Parry. I mean, not only for people there for them family do it, you know. So you see right here, so now it's kind of like a warming. So me I get a little break. You have to work this second trash. Work it, work it, work it. So me I just make the water breeze out a little and come back. The temperature of this. Okay, so it's manageable now. Very manageable. So you see this now? You have to work that second one here. Work it up to get out. Because you can, if you look, you can see that this second milk here, it's not as rich as the first one. So all of the people them, we used to see them parents or grandparents, uncle and auntie, if you even live a city. And when you go for holiday, you always see them do this. Them look one here, some little pieces. Where you can go and mash up this in my mouth. My teeth will start out them. You see it? You see it come up? Yeah, now work it. Okay. That me a ring close. That's how my mother do it. You see it? So when she finish with this, she get her fold them. You know, out the door fold, come on fold. She not do that again. She not put on that we put it in a total. Now if we make nothing. Or if we are pitney, take a look like that and put a sugar because we hungry. To give our chickens these. You see it? So you still not get the richness from the second milk. Ring it. You see it? And maybe I must use too much water too, but this is a proportion to coconut trash. Water to coconut trash. It is a proportionate thing, you see? So, alright. You're supposed to sit through the milk. If you sit through the milk, that means that the milk weak. And I think me use too much water in this for the 2 coconut. Should have about 3/4 of that. So it will take a little time for come down. So my pot here, for your pot, dry. This is Jessie. Yeah. It's so wet. Yeah, I swear I get too much water. I should have less water. But look here. I could go at the stove. So my pot here. I put it right this up on Jessie. And I'm going to leave it. You get too much water definitely for the 2 coconut. I think I should have about a quart or a quarter and pint. That look like about 2 quarts or 2.5 quarts, but we're going to leave it for go and boil. So you see it, family, is coming to a boil. You have to have strong fire. So the water is being evaporated now with this strong thing we're coming out of it. So you see it coming up now. So if you don't pay this attention, what gonna happen now? It will come and boil over, and all of the fat at the top there, so with the coconut oil for in it will come up. Me have a little trick with me and show you that the right here, so but him lousy with it. You see it? Alright, so this is a little thing to prevent it from stop coming, from never come over again. If you know about this trick, tell me. It is going to boil and boil, but it have to subdue itself right there. It cannot come over. It will come up, but as it come up, you see it subside. Yeah, it now go come over. Okay. I'm gonna start the video already. All right, so see it there. So I'm have to put another extra piece to the middle of the coconut, put it over so that the coconut shell, but I have to scrape it properly, take off all the air and wash it off. So I mean also had to adjust the heat because too much of the heat was to the center of the pot. So once it don't come over the coconut shell, it cannot come over. That was something that we learned. That moment me see them, my mother them do. You know, when she cook coconut, when she make coconut oil. And you can see, this is just 2 coconut, you can see so it's not bad. You can see the oil already, a churn out of it. Mind you though, you have got to have a strong heat consistent underneath it to make it boil down fast. You know, once you can find a good heat, and she always does it most of the time when the time is hot. She don't make coconut oil when cold weather, you know. So we are going to stay there, make it boil, and it is going to come down to rundown stage. So when it comes to rundown stage, I'll show you. And then from rundown stage, it is going to go to coconut oil stage. Once I pass rundown stage and going down to coconut oil stage, you have to have good monitoring because you don't want it burn, you don't want the custard burn and the oil get burned. So may I say, so you keep it at that, and when you see me back again, it will go there rundown stage. Alright, Paris, see you know. If I was making rundown, I would have my seasons all cut up already and drop down in it. You see me I say? It is at rundown stage now. See? So, coconut oil is just like you take it from, you know, one stage to another. It is the stage past rundown. You can see it, and the coconut then good enough. No, but when coconut juice or cut island custard, that, you know, all of this that you see coming up, fuming up here. And look at me, I get them baby about a cup of oil out of this, you know, because this fuming is just water left in there. And I would say this video is taking me that about an hour and a half. No more than that since me start grate the coconut and juice it. And all them beautifulness there. Yeah, this is water. So as soon as you see all these little bubbles stop, the oil will be coming out on top. So at this point, I'm not supposed to store it in there. You can't store it because the custard is in the bottom, the water is being evaporated, and the oil will settle at the top, so I can't scrape it out. And I've got to have my fire at a pace. I mean, I want the custard to burn. Okay? So I eat that, you know. So come it, so stick and stay, because guess what? I be down a yard same way. So Pari, I hope you know see what going on, you know. So you see the water is evaporating out now, the oil is separating, and the custard is settled at the bottom. And you might ask me, why it have this yellow look? Yes. When you use dry coconut, that's how it comes. When you use coconut when it's dry, the oil come light in color. You notice some coconut oil, it have a little slight yellow. Dry coconut, a good coconut make them the oil. When you use a coconut that is not so dry, you get the kind of milky like for put in a porridge, and so you come the light color oil. But this still have a long way to tip a weary, meaning it has long way to go, but the heat has to be really slow. You can't do it too high now. So when you see me next, you know, a coconut oil girl that you off, you know. Yeah, man. The oil now and custard, look at this. You see this? Natural coconut oil. You see that? You see that? Natural coconut oil. Now get it show off and come back. Alright, Par, you see it? I'm going to put my strainer over this dad pass the strainer. You see the custard down in there. You see the idler. Hey, hey, tell me if this brings back memories. Tell me if this brings back memories. I'm going to ask Cobb for angle the camera. Angle the camera, Cobb. Look at this. So you have to strain it. Papa Jesus. No, sir. Sinting tan so tan good. I train it down a bit. Train every last drop of this niceness. Yeah. See there? Because this is the oil. Yeah. I'm able to, you see that? You see that? That's the color my mother coconut oil always have. Look on the custard in here now. Yeah. We want some boiled breadfruit. So you know, make the custard burn. Hello, please. How did do? Hello, please. Look here. Look at this. Look here, no, man. Boiled breadfruit, this one, you know. Straight boiled breadfruit, this one, you know. You see that? You see that? Next clip. So, okay, now, Pari. I make it cool down, so this is my final strain off. Normally, you just strain off this in a cheesecloth or something. You know, it's supposed to be crystal clear. But look here. I have only a cheesecloth, but I really can't go back then go now. Natural, pure, 100%. This look like a big jill, you know. Big jill of coconut oil from back in the days. Comment and tell me. You see that? Look in the glass bottle. You see that pureness? I hold it up, I couldn't see. 100%. No preservatives, no additives. Look on it. Give them an overhead shot. No bubbles in there, no nothing. So you want to store it on your countertop, covered in a glass container preferably. Try it. It's still warm, but it doesn't matter. And away from the direct sunlight. When the temperature gets low, it is gonna freeze up. But once the temperature remains normal, it will be like this. Yes, so ready 2 coconuts. This is it, dry coconut, all natural. So let us turn our attention to the custard right here. This right here is the custard that we have left back. It's very sweet. See there? It's very sweet. Some people get browner, depends on how them make them coconut dry down. I don't know, maybe them dry it down under too much heat. I don't know, but this is the custard. This right here is very sweet. Sweet. I wanted to do this video in St. Mary because they want to pick a boiled breadfruit, but unfortunately I never St. Mary from the other day. I just did them a roll because when I do them, I don't really need it right there now up there. I may have other things to do, but St. Mary is coming back on track. Don't worry, when St. Mary start back again, it's going to roll. Anywho, this is sweet. So you saw me, I did 2 coconuts. I didn't show you the size of the coconuts, but if you look, there's a video coming up on the family channel. You'll see where I separated, about she was sending coconut there for me, where I separated some other coconuts from 3 other ones. I did 2. And I'm trying to say this right now to say that if you use those 2 coconuts and juice the milk, the amount of milk that you see I juice for this coconut oil, use it to cook 2 pounds of rice and half a pound or 8 ounces of peas, and use that pure natural coconut milk after you cook the peas halfway, and use it to cook it down and put rice and stuff in there. That's ice coming down in my refrigerator. So there would be, you just get that nice sweetness from the rice and peas. This is naturally sweet. Okay, I go put this in my fridge because when we get 2 dumplings or piece of boil, I put it in my fridge, you know, so till then go back and send me a breadfruit and warm up there. So look here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the love. Hello, how do you do? Order your coconut oil, you know? Order your coconut oil. I'm just joking. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. So you see, you can do this in your very own home. The hardest thing is to grate the coconut. You can't shred it. If you shred it, you're not going to get the strength of the milk and stuff. You can, but you're not going to get what you are supposed to get. You ain't going to get this pure goodness. So if you have a blender though, like one of them high powered, like you know them kind of high powered blender we can really bring it out with your warm water, relatively warm, then you could try. But remember, it has something called proportion, the amount of coconut trash to the amount of water that you use. Thanks for watching. Never let the evil around never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things naturally made. So I don't see this in a store, I don't see enough process to go through, so don't talk about it there. It's a lot. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you again with another video.